Did you figure out the glitch thing?
No, it's software. Glitch is you right now with this nitrous kit installing. I'm recording you. How to not install a nitrous kit for F-body. Extra redundant relays. Where are you going right now to this thing?
I just want to make sure it was in.
Gotta tell the world that. So you have a choice, you go nitrous again?
You know, yeah.
And why is that?
Because I know how to do it now.
How long until this build is complete?
No matter. Not in a rush.
Looks very intricate here. 15-pound bottle. Ooh. Lingenfelter controller, built-in, 2-step. These Hoosiers. This is how you mustard that 11.8.
I didn't even have those.
Quiet, I'm recording. Quiet, I'm recording. 11.8 out of these Hoosiers right here. This is how we did it. No exhaust on here. Cool kit.
Tell the story right.
It's the full story right here. Full build. Built, not bought. Built, not bought.